Android Masters um, gave me validation that what I'm doing is very impactful to society, especially for the app that I'm doing that I did, which is an app for social good. So I developed the app not really to enter the contest, but really to volunteer my time to help preserve the history of the Philippines and share it to Filipinos everywhere. And entering the app into the competition and winning it just gave me validation that what I'm doing is really beneficial to Filipinos.
First of all, we were very fortunate. Okay, we were very happy that we were given a platform to present this project. Okay, to the audience and to the people. First is to inspire others that it would be possible. We are not an expert of Android, but we just have an idea. The first place na we wanted to create a platform or an Android application for the Metro Manila kasi we are scholars in Universidad de Manila, so we wanted to help. So to give back to the scholarship, we wanted to create something that would help the Metro Manila. So that's actually the motivation. And then now the MASA is actually good. Okay, may social good talaga siya. We were able to execute it well, and then with the support of our school dean. So we are happy that we are on our top 5 now. And then ngayon nakapag-present na kami, so we are very proud sa process, and then we learned a lot. Okay, we learned a lot. Kasi experiment lang talaga to. Sobrang experiment lang talaga to. So, at this point of time, wala kaming masasabi kundi pagbubutihan pa namin. We have to push it through at we have to aim higher para sa Android. Saka para to make a better world to live, sabi nga namin. A better Philippines, a better country.
We learned actually quite a lot from our experience here because criticism is a really good teacher. Because like in the application we made, Let's Make Philly Foods, they pointed out like, okay, there were features that we could have added with more time, and they also pointed out, okay, here's how you can improve your user experience. And so it's sort of different kasi like making user experiences for general applications and games, and it was interesting to see like what they said and what they said we could like improve on. So, dito din, in developing din the game, we learned a lot.
Naka-apekto sa akin yung event, Android Master, to motivate myself na mag-explore pa at mag-excel since hindi lang pala ako na mag-isa yung may care or pupursue para sa ganitong field, which is actually yung Android development. Tinuro lang siya sa amin ng aming prof. Training lang or part lang ng maliit na curriculum. Pero hindi ko akalain na ito yung magiging job ko or yung profession ko. That's totally amazing. Kasi nung pinili ko yung IT, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako pupunta kasi mahina ako sa programming. Parang mas trip ko yung hardware kasi bata pa ako, hardware talaga yung trip ko. And then, biglang dumating yung OOP. And na-introduce din aside from Java yung Android, which is sabi ko, ganito pala nangyayari, ganito pala gumagana yung isang application. Madami akong nakitang application na simple lang pero sikat. And nag-dream din ako doon na magkaroon ng sariling app na pwede kong i-promote, pwede kong maging reference or pwede kong ipakita sa mga kaibigan ko at sa mga kakilala ko. So yun, yung Android Master, malaki siyang asset or dagdag motivation para sa katulad kong Android developer since there's a community, we're not alone. That's the best.
It gives a new opportunity and avenue for us young developers to showcase the talents that we have with the technology.
So as game developers, we believe that Android Masters gives us a platform to showcase our games. We were once students and we could really apply our skills in Android Masters, and to know that we reached the finals, that's really like a boost to our motivation to create even more games because that's what we do because we're also students of game development.
developers, we learned a lot that we didn't know that we could. At school, our teachings are limited, but when we discovered Android Masters, we discovered other ways to code, experiment, create assets, and all those stuff to develop. That's why it's really important to join this so that we could learn more.
Learn more experience like trying to stand out from other apps or really applying our current game knowledge.
And also to break out of our comfort zone. Originally, we didn't really want to develop a game that would cost us a lot, then realizing that it would do so much more for us.
To my field, I get to show my creativity or show our creativity when it comes to creating the mobile game, and also dito rin namin mapapakita yung also yung patience namin and yung skills namin nakahone siya over time. So maganda siya para sa amin. It's like self-development rin in a way in terms of what we like to do.
So joining Android Masters is very relevant to my field because I am able to hone my skills and be mindful of how my app is being perceived by other people, especially the users. Because in order to win a competition, your app has to be user-friendly, has to be functional, has to be useful, and in order to win such a competition, you have to learn all of those skills, not just technical skills in developing an app, but also to make your app be relevant and useful for other people.
We were able to create tools that would help people. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay, the social service. Okay, the purpose in life. I think everybody has a purpose in life, and I do believe as a developer, as a programmer, and as an IT, we have our obligation to help and cater the needs of the helpless. Okay, we need to protect people, we need to protect children, and we need to protect the people that we love. And then by doing it, it's in the palm of our hand. Okay, in just using a phone, you would be able to help everybody. So that's why we developed Masa, and then that is very relevant to us, relevant to the country. Yun lang po. Thank you.
So the relevance of this competition to my field is that it gives new development, new learning for the information technology students.